What's up, Buttercup? So this week you find me in my kitchen with our beautiful red KitchenAid because I'm gonna make a yummy Code Red treat. So with Code Red we eat no sugar, no flour, really low carb, high fat. And so today I am gonna make some sugar-free pudding mousse with strawberries. I hope you like it. So the first things first is the chocolate fudge sugar-free Jell-O. And that goes in here. I think I'd be really awful at my own cooking show. And then I'm gonna actually mix in 2 liquids. So one thing on Code Red, we don't drink milk. So one of the 3 kinds of dairy I can have is heavy whipping cream. And part of the reason for that is that it's nice and fat. So this is 2/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. If I just did that, it would be too thick. So I'm adding a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. So there goes that. All right, so that's all my liquid, and now I'm just gonna mix it up. And it's not really looking how I want it to yet. So I'm gonna keep whipping. Tastes good though. There, that's getting a little thicker. Oh yeah, totally sticking to the beater more, you can see there. Or the whisk, I think it's a whisk. Okay, gonna make a mess on my counter. Oh, it's good. It's real good. Ooh, it just is so thick and lovely. So I haven't made this before. This is a new experiment. But here goes. Kind of, maybe I want it even more liquidy. I don't know. It's quite thick, which I think is going to make it not very pretty. But it's good. Okay. So I'm going to refrigerate this for a little while. And then, through movie magic. All right, again, movie magic. Here's my beautiful chocolate mousse. I can't wait to eat it. And I thought for fun, I'd show you also the dinner I'm having. So this is not in a bowl, but it's called egg roll in a bowl. It's cabbage and onions and some pork and egg. And it's delicious. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little recipe. And just to let you know, I'm down 140 pounds eating this way. So it's going great. Anyway, I can't wait to see what you come up with for next week, Buttercup. Bye-bye.